How to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're going to learn how we can create a broadcast channel on Instagram. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to create your broadcast channel on Instagram, you need to open up your Instagram and log in into your account, and you need to have a professional account first of all in order to create a broadcast channel. So just head over to your profile. After that, go on with the process of creating your professional account. After your professional account is created, you'll be having a professional dashboard on your screen, which means you'll be able to create your own broadcast channel. So for that, you just need to head over to the home section. After going to that home section, you'll be able to see your message icon at the top right. Just click on it, and when you click on it here, you'll be finding a bunch of options, but you're just going to click on this pen and note icon at the top right. You can find that option very easily. Just tap on it. After that, you'll be able to see create a broadcast channel option on your screen. So in order to have that option, you need to have at least 10,000 followers, and that option or that feature should be available on your reason. Maybe one of the reason that it may not be available is maybe that option is still not available on your reason, so you just need to wait for that feature. Otherwise, you need to have at least 10,000 followers in order to get that feature, in order to create a broadcast channel for your followers. After that is done, just go on with the process of creating your channel name, audience, options, and you should be able to create your broadcast channel very easily using your Instagram. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.